Who am I? And what can I bring to Happy Hour that can help you on your RV journey? My passion for the RV lifestyle began in the 80s. Our Viscount triaxle caravan became home for a few years until I converted a bus into a motorhome. This followed many more motorhome conversions for other people. Regrets? None, other than not taking photos. So some of my best works are just snapshots in my memories. Thankfully, Di took some photos for our own projects. Our kids delayed our travel dreams, but our boys retained the memories of the caravans I restored to take them on holidays, until we purchased our current motorhome in 2014. With the dream rekindled, Di and I continue to travel Australia for on average 8 months every year. I'm a jack of all trades, a problem solver with some limitations. I love helping people and sharing my knowledge and skills with fellow RVers. So, on this channel I'll share with you my tips, some laughs, reviews and advice on all things RV, including my speciality in low voltage DC LED lighting, regardless of where you source any product or service mentioned. If you see us out and about, come on over and say hi, because I'm always up for a chat. I invite you to watch, learn, laugh, comment and share my videos with your friends. Please inspire me to create more videos by hitting the like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check the notification icon to keep you up to date with my latest videos. G'day, I'm Steve Cox. Welcome to my channel.